Alright, sorry for the late start. Did some upgrades and had some issues and was trying to fix them, but they ain't getting fixed. So, moving right along here. So tonight, we're gonna be finishing up the collision detection on Gravitas. I feel like we're there. We're right at the end. Either it's gonna work or it's not gonna work, so let's see if we can make it work. But tonight we will also be playing music from the Picks and Potions game music contest. So we'll be having that in the background and kind of judging. I mean, not really judging, but you know, just checking out the music. So let's jump on in. Since we're already running late, might as well just get in here and do it. Actually, let's set up so we can actually kind of see and hear it while we're here. I didn't get a chance to set that up, so probably should get this set up where we can actually hear and see the submissions. Nope, they didn't do what I wanted to do. Let's get rid of that. What am I looking for here? Oh, I know what I want. I know what I want. Okay. All right. Let's see now. We can actually hear it. Oh, I forgot to make one change here before we started. Forgot to set something up because we won't be able to hear anything. Okay, why is my... What is going on tonight? Oh. I feel like tonight's cursed. Tonight's cursed. We shouldn't be doing anything. We should just log off and go to bed. Everything's cursed right now. Okay, I end up closing the program down, so give me a second while I see if I can get it back up. And all right. Hopefully that works. I ain't gonna check it right now. Okay. Okay, it seems like we've got things working. And all right, come on. Okay, I think that's good. All right. Crazy with it. All right, here we go. So here are the songs from the Potions and Pixels game music contest. Let's see if we can hear them. Okay, so let us begin with our game, or continue really. So let's see how our collision detection is working right now. So that's good. A little bit of overlap, I'm not worried about it. That I don't like. And I wonder, how did I get over here? See, don't like that overlap. But I know what's going on. This is continuing, this is getting pushed back out, and this is making the circle where it initially impacted. I like this. So one thing we need to do is make sure these circles are being drawn in the right place. So we need to update. We just need an update for when the position's changed. All right. So we need something that will check every frame to make sure if a position is changed that it redraws. I want to do one more thing with this, because you can't see the names of the songs. Are we playing the same song? That works. There you go. Alright. Oh, I should also post the, yeah, let's do this. Okay, it isn't going to the next song. Okay. Or is it? Okay, we heard that. Need to put in here, but go through every celestial object and check if the position has changed since this last check, and then update, redraw if the position has changed. So we need first to track it, and then we need a way to manage that, to call for that update check. First, we need to collect the current position. Which I think we already got, chain position. Created, and when it gets changed, so we get the information when we need it to. But shouldn't we, if the position changed, should we not Whoops, didn't mean to do that. All right. Did we not try this when position changed? Yeah, for some reason it didn't work. I feel like we did that last time. This obviously isn't being called. Oh no, what happens is the redraw happens. So the position is called, but the movement happens after the position is called. And it's done by the game object, not by the code. Oh, I meant to put the link out there. Completely forgot. There we go. I should also put this in the YouTube notes. There we go. I don't know why my TTS. I mean, my TTS just broke. That's what I was trying to fix before it came on stream, but obviously it didn't work. So anyway. So we do need something that will check And all it needs to do is just check if the current position is different than the recorded position. Let's see if that works first. Oh, actually I have to play that. Oh no, actually I can't hit that. I messed something up. Oh, okay. Why did that move? That could be an interesting mechanic, though. I mean, it looks like everything's working perfectly. Oops, did I mean to throw that away? Is this actually working off top? I just don't like the way it kind of bounces off like that. I really wish it was not move. Oh, wow. really don't like that. I don't want them pushing each other out of the way. And then it's becoming unpredictable where they're gonna land. Should I have it go back to where it collided? For the most part, it's working, but it's not working as well as I would like it to. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we actually set the position back after we've seen the change. Instead of doing this, because this may actually be right, and this feels like it takes up more. Takes more ability to do that than just to move it back to where the indicator was. Whoops. Feels like it's almost like Kirby's, the end of a Kirby game. Nope. So. Okay. That looks like it. We're getting back to where we were. Yeah. But now we need to actually correct. Yeah. Now we need to actually do the correction to push them apart. Because the collision detection was doing that for us, but it was doing it in a kind of weird way. But this works better. It just needs to be refined. Let's see, that ended up getting connected to this one instead of that one. I'm trying to think, is that acceptable? And the mechanics I'm thinking about.
Bragging rights on the line, and you can't mess with my grind. Let's shake up the room. One match for me could just spell your doom. You've been talking online, but you'll never mess with my grind. This is my time, girl about to shine. Battle is an art, my skills are refined. My way, I've been training night and day. Night and day. Get out my way. You can't stop me, I'm making way. Grew up in the arcades doing infinite. Ready for the show, let's get it in. Don't flex or try to test my temperament. Run it back, get you shook like a rumble pack. Got a few sponsors, now I'm on the map. Beaten by my rivals, now I bridge the gap. Couldn't get out of pools, now I'm in top 8. Top shape, giving all the players a hard grip. And you can talk big on the podcast, but every time we meet, it's a car crash. Cold out the legends in the vest, but when it comes to threats, I'm the best you ever met. Who's the next champion up? Yo, I'm next. Destined to do this, confess that I'm blessed. Line them all up, I knock them all down. I'm about to make a rain, no cold, so cry on my way. I've been training night and day. Night and day. Get out my way. You can't stop me, I'm making way.
We wrote this code before to try to move things out of each other's areas. Yeah, here it is. Gosh, it's some great music. Oh, man. Wonder if we can look at all the connected planets and move the planet away from the others. Also, let's go back in the community real quick and actually look at those the settings. We can make some change to kind of stop that bounce. Let's see something. I know I'm changing the mass. Yeah, it wasn't such a great idea. Let's see. What if I change the mass after the collision. Or change it. So I'm changing it when it's colliding. The thing that's being collided with gets a boost in its mass. I wonder if it would be better if I do it right after the collision for both. It's dragged as zero mass. When it collides. Right, so that's what I'm doing. It's bouncing off each other. Because that's after the collision has happened. Because what's happening in Unity is the collision detection happens after they've overlapped each other. So it's well into the collision before the collision detection detects it and pushes them back out and does the reaction to the collision. I don't know how well. Not sure this will work for us this way. We may start to do a little bit of work. Figure out how to manage that better. All right. Excuse me, a little bit of dinner there. Because if they have the same mass and they'll just bounce off each other, I don't want the original one, the one being collided with, to bounce, to move at all. Let's go back to that code, look at it again. We essentially cycle through each one. We see if there's an overlap, and then we just push it out away from the center. Okay. Is there a way for us to get all of the connected bodies? Chain bodies, of course. I feel like we're headed right back in the same direction we started down. I feel like I'm just doing the exact same thing I did before with correcting the positions. I'm wondering, do I just make the bounce part of the mechanic? I can see it. It would just be like if you bounce a planet too hard into another planet, it gets pushed off in a weird direction where you can just place it. So See, that makes it easy, but if you do this, well, the bounce isn't there because I stopped it, but in fact, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Oh, messaging up. Oh, that's right, it's been called somewhere. That still needs to be corrected though. And see, it can still get through the collision detection. Because the collision detection isn't fast enough. But I may just end up leaving, if that's the issue, I may end up leaving that till playtesting and see what people think about it. But it just feels weird that you can pass directly through it. Oh, that's right. It's not. It's commented out. See, I just don't like that bounce. See, look at that. I could pass right through it. So the collision detection is hit or miss. Here I can replicate this issue. Then the fact is that the collision detection kicks in at kind of a weird time after the collisions have happened. Well, not a weird. It's happening after the. Some about them. Anyway. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to self-correct it, but it feels like what we're doing. But at least I won't say the collision detection is more reliable than my manual calculation, but still. I wonder how this would do in the wild. Like, would a computer? I should do a build and just run on my computer and just see how fast it actually is. Because maybe the editor allows me to go faster than it could in a computer. It could as a computer game. I do not like that. Push the other one out the way. But you still know where it belongs by color. You see, that passed right through it. Let's try our hand at the correction real quick. If it doesn't work well. place there.
There where the temple of Gaia lay still, the goblins had gathered with murderous will. Under the banner of ivy and bone came the Green Knight with a name unknown.
Oh, yeah.
Seven arose from the ashes of strife, each bearing burden, each brimming with light. Moon druid acid with rage in his veins, Delcius always holding the reins. Raise your cups to the heavens, the seven brave souls who fought through the dark where the temple bell tolls. Through shadow and flame they shadowed the throne, and found the Green Knight was a man called Tyrone. Dog faced the wall on the goblin with fire, dim in his thoughts yet in battle a sire. Eldrin the shadow with silence he flies, striking unseen from where darkness denies. Joshua stopped with his master so grim, but in the dark game of fate sealed by him. Now the bard with a horse-loving heart sang melodies while he tore foes apart. Then copper line gleamed in bronze and in pride. A dragon of honor with lightning to ride. 7 stood strong against the goblin domain, and they the stone halls in the thunder and flame. Raise your cups to the heavens, the 7 brave souls who fought through the dark where the temple bell tolls. Through shadow and flame they shattered the throne, and found the Green Knight was a man called Tyrone. Was a knight once bound to the tree, now fallen to madness, no longer is free. Gaia now weeps, her temple reclaimed by those who recall of the old god's name.
Alright.
So raise your cups to the bond that run through the beast, the bard, and the dragon's hue. Let legends now whisper in gravel and stone of Gaia the temple. And Sir Tyrone.
Put your controllers up. This is Mortal Kombat. He said he tryna kick it with me like he Liu Kang. He said he tryna kick it with me like he Johnny Cage. He don't even know that I'll erase his whole page. That's why I'm coming for your kids with my Sonya Blade. I run up in your spot. This is a Raiden. I give them all a shock. They call me Raiden. Protecting the earth around. Could really use some help. I'm kinda overwhelmed. I'm holding down the block just to keep a hoe from kicking me. DDDDT, and I got a flawless victory. Now they wanna treat me like a bad guy. Shaking like maracas when I pass by. You ain't want the smoke. Run up with my name, Quay. You ain't want the smoke. Feel that fire in your chest when I'm in your throat. Armageddon, cause I'm claiming everybody's soul. Don't care your nationality. Step onto my stage and you catching a fatality. Jax Briggs, and you know I got them hands. Too hot, need katana with the fans. Where my cameras at? Put your controllers up. This is Mortal Kombat.
All right. We're back around to the beginning. What's up? That man Robin. How's it going, man? I saw you were streaming. How'd you stream tonight? I keep forgetting where everything is. They gotta move this again. Nope, nope, that's not a one. Nope, it's not a one. Come on. There you go. Oh, that's fine. How's the stream though? Get anything interesting done? Some code. Okay, cool. What's your favorite part of game design, by the way? Like, what do you... Well, that could be two questions. What do you do best, and what do you like doing? Coding. Same here. Same. So, what do you got planned for after you get done with Finding Fern? I know that's like, for me, oh, same answer both. I'm a good programmer, yes. Yeah, okay. Finding Fern, okay. Nice, nice. Completely separate game was gonna be like an add-on. Like, or a chapter, are you doing chapters? Oh, a 3D sequel? So, okay. How do I say it? The change in art style. It's not an art style. I mean, it's a change in format. Why the change in format from 2D to 3D? Okay, I mean, I think both have their advantages. I mean, but I know, like with 2D, you have to have a straight up artist, but 3D, you still have to have somebody that does good animation. I'm thinking that's why you're saying that, because I'm guessing that's why you're saying that, because you're thinking like, or I'm guessing you're thinking like it takes a lot for 2D. You ever had to sprite? No. I have not and do not want to at all. Even my 2D ideas, I don't do that. I'm not planning to do any like great number of sprites. So if it's going to be, if it's going to be 3D, do you have experience making a 3D game? Like, do you know what it would entail? 3 is easier enemies target. Standardized things. I would say it's a different set of skills. Only 2 game. So you put out 3D games, or you just had other projects that were 3D? Wait, so this is your first and only project that was okay, everything was 3D, but have you actually released anything that was in 3D, or have you just done other projects that were 3D? Oh, so that's Android. Oh, a while back. Okay. Can you hit me with a couple links on those? I'll be interested to see what a 3D Android game looks like. I mean, I know what a 3D Android. What type of game you made 3D that was an Android? Okay, that's right. You can't drop links on here, but like, we'll take the dot out or something. Oh, they're moved. Okay. Okay. Did you still Google? Okay, yeah, just drop me a name or something. I'll check it out. Tyrannical Tom Racing. Okay, hold on. Let's see this. Okay, I mean, it's your first game, I'm guessing, or your first release game, so I'm guessing, you know, it was you learning. Was this it? Well, I don't know. Do I get anything out of it? No. Okay. Images? Nah. Alright, now a lot of link stuff. Yeah, okay. I got you. It was on Google Play. Okay. Well, I would like to see what you do, man. I would really like to see you transition to your 3D. But now, again, I'm Access. Have you done anything with, like, when is I got way more experience 3D? Right, but is it like 3D object animation, or are we talking about like 3D character animation? Have you done any 3D character animation? And while we're doing that, I can actually show you the main game, which is got my main game has 3D character animation. Oh, I can get it running. Very neat. I really need to with animations and reverse. I mean, because I took an animation class, but this is back in 3D Studio Max days. Like, I could do it if I wanted to, but I'd rather have somebody talented just do it and do it like I've been doing. Come on, Unity. Oh, there we go. Also, no, yeah, okay, I got you. Yeah. That would be the same with me and, well, any type of animation, 2D or 3D. Where's the game? Where's my game? Now, can I open you up? Will you allow me to open you? It's loading right now, right? Or is it loading? Yeah, there it is. Okay. We'll see if it lets me open it up. So I work on my side game when my main game's got issues. Right now, I got major crash bugs in my net code. So like I've been working on those off stream. Reading them crash logs? Well, it's not. It's my net code. So I'm using my own net code in the game. So like I've actually resolved one major crash bug that led to a system crash bug. That then I got past that. Now I'm trying to. One of the bigger problems is things have gotten so fast, I'm getting race conditions on certain things. Okay, let's see if so this is my unnamed turn-based mobile. You want to open up? Give it a second. I forgot there was an issue with the save file. Nah, yep, exactly. But these are the characters, these are the classes in the game. And I've got the hammer animations are pretty much done. The sword animation is pretty much done. Working on the spear. Or yeah, my animator's working on the spear now. Yeah. So I got those started, and I got the animations done. Oh, geez, I can actually show you the animator. Oh, it's a little bit. Sorry about that. Yeah, I usually don't play music through this audio. Yeah. Any better? Okay. All right. I use Stream Elements. I use OBS, but I use Stream Elements for like my alerts and stuff, but I'm trying to get off of Steam Elements. Because there's a number of things I need to do. Yeah, I think one of the reasons I can't run OBS on my laptop anymore, because I had a setup where I was running OBS on the laptop and I had, my development system like it is right now. And that worked great, but for some reason, when I updated something, it stopped working on my laptop. And I think that was Steam Elements. I mean, I like my netcode is out there for people to use. I wouldn't use it right now because it has a crash bug, but yeah, I have an open source. I keep an open source project for my stuff. Nice. I've seen it. Yeah. I was trying to use it, and I guess, do you have to be subbed to use it? When I was in your stream. Yeah, it didn't seem to be working for me. Yeah, that's what I was doing. Like I was just trying to answer it. It didn't seem like it was picking up when I answered certain things. I don't know. It just may have been me not understanding something. But these are all the animation. Come on. These are all the animations I got so far. I've got, these are hit animations, turn animations, run and fall, and push animations, and these are all the hammer attacks. Sword. Man, I got to this a lot. And these are the spears I got so far. It's like that. It's really good one. I like this one. Let's see if it's inside. You see your character animated for 500? What do you mean? Why is it a nightmare? Oh, I got you. Yeah. That feels like anytime I go in the oh, what is it? Is it the shader studio or something where I've been messing around with shaders and stuff. Shader graph, yes, dude. Shader graph is it melts your brain. Yeah, I need to get back into writing them. Yeah, I showed you I'm trying to have DeepSeek write, at least write a prototype ones that I can mess around with. It's a little weird for some reason. But that's the main game for right now. And classes like Barbarian and Knight, Fire Mage. I showed you the picture before. Lightning Mage, Ninja, Earth Mage, Void Mage, Ice Ninja, Gladiator, Witch Doctor, Samurai.
Grew up in the arcades doing infinite. Ready for the show, let's get it in. Don't flex or try to test my temperament. Run it back, get you shook like a rumble pack. Got a few sponsors now. I'm on
And got more coming. These are just the ones I've had rigged up. But I had it working. I had it working with a client, and you can do movements from the client and stuff like that. But I need to fix my net code. I know this is not clean code. This right here is not clean code. I'll show you the main project. This was me messing around. Is this better? This doesn't offend your sensibilities. Racket. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. You talking about like I do this? Like that? And you think it should be like this, right? No. Why would you take that extra space? If I see this, I want to go up to the top of the statement. I want to go directly to the statement. This is just telling me the statement is ended. I mean, yeah, I don't understand why you would want that. Like, I mean, I at least put some spaces in between things, but like, I just don't want this guy down here to make, so I have to take the extra step to go up one more line. If I see this, I'll go straight up here, right to the beat, right to where I want to be. I don't need an extra stop here and then go here. This is just me. Your pearls are being clutched. I got it. Okay. And see, I don't like how it formatted. This is the editor formatting. I hate that. I'm not sure how to even turn that off. Okay. Let's see if... Oh, wait a minute, I'm missing something. Let's see. Okay. Let's see how it works. Dang it. That didn't work. Why did that one move? Oh, they're pushing each other. That's right. So let me show you something. It's the collision detection with Unity that I'm having a problem with. Let's comment all this out. So let me show you this thing with the collision detection that's kind of messing with me here. Okay. Okay, so that worked fine. See, I feel like I'm crossing it, and I shouldn't be able to. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, let's see. See, that feels weird. I feel like I shouldn't be able to cross that. I don't know. Maybe I just make the decision to go ahead and just leave it as it is. Let the collision detection stay as it is, and just see how people take it. And if the people don't like it, oh, ton of bricks. Sorry, man. Hey, TTS isn't working on is not working on YouTube. I that's why I was late. But okay, where are we at? Okay, where are you at? There we go. There we go. Sorry, no dog tonight, man. But I was looking at this. So I'm getting down to making a decision about this collision detection. Because I think I've gotten it maybe as best as it's going to get. And it kind of works. But see, I felt like that shouldn't have gone through there like that. So you know what I'm saying? Because you're away from home. Okay, cool. I mean, cool. Hopefully that's cool that you got on a trip. You're on the trip or something. Let's see. This collision detection also pushes a little bit. It's like, this is not a drill. Yeah, I know. I feel like we're going to get it tonight. Either one way or another. Either we're going to make it work, or we're just going to like, we're just going to accept where we are. Because we just got to move on one way or another. But it kind of works. It just feels still a little weird. I feel like if I move too fast, I can still mess up the collision detection. Because you look at that, did I go through some of those before it actually hit? True, but a half-working game is not really that. I appreciate the support, but a half-working game still doesn't work well. Okay, let's see if I can do it real fast. Yeah, see, you see how I went through a couple of those before it caught me? And I one figure that either people aren't going to play it that way, right? They're not going to be flying all over the place when they're trying to do it. So that's one thing. And two, I wonder how this plays when I build it. If on the systems it's as fast as it is in the editor. So that's why I'm not trying to I don't know, beleaguer this. Like, I'm not trying to like go crazy about this little bit of it not working. But I still have to say it still doesn't work like I really want it to work. But I think it's good enough to move on to the next steps. Oh, so Ton, since you're here, heck, let's talk about what we gotta do. Let me actually make a list of what I gotta do to make demo, or what I feel like I have to do to make demo. So have somebody to talk this out with. We're gonna halfway do it like they do on like pirate games or whatever, pirate software. All right, number one, finish collision detection. Which I feel like we're at. 2, rewrite scoring system. 3, shaders and lighting. 4, redo game level interface. I want to redo this interface. Or UI. 5, pause and settings menu. 6, 6 would be tutorial level, which I got an idea for that, which I'm gonna use my own avatar, so it should be that shouldn't be too bad. 7, create first levels, create starting levels, the official starting levels. And 8, music and sound effects, which will be somebody else. So that's what I feel like I got to do to get to the demo, which isn't that bad. This is almost done. This is going to take a second. This shouldn't be too bad. I've already updated the render pipeline to HDRP. This one shouldn't be too bad either. Because I got an idea what to do. And this one, not too bad. I can kind of knock that out. It shouldn't be too bad. Tutorial level, like I said, I already got an idea for that. This should be easy because it's just the settings. And I'm gonna have somebody else do that. So I don't feel like it's a lot. It's a couple months, but I don't feel like it's a lot to do. But that's what I gotta do. That's what I feel like. We get to that point, we get those things knocked out. That's a demo. So. Well, anyway, what else is there to do? Yeah. It cut it out. I guess it thought that was a bad word for some reason. Tons. Sometimes the Twitch filters can be a little weird. Yeah, no, it's going to be on itch and Steam. I've got my idea of how I want to put up on Steam. But it's going to be there too. It's going to be on itch as well. And it's well, demo is going to be free, of course, but like even if I release the full game, it's not going to be that expensive. Yeah. That's why I mess around this for a little bit, but I think that's probably gonna be it for the night because there's not much else I want to do. I just want to kind of see how this is. See, that really felt like it should not have gone through there. Ugh. Like, I feel like people are going to do that. They're not going to go crazy and be like, so that felt right. It felt like I hit here and it stopped. And it has a little bounce to it that I kind of do like you're actually pushing against physical objects like that. Wait, what the heck just happened? How did that? What? Of course, there's some bugs to work out. I'm not sure how that happened. What are you connected to? I've got some people in mind. Well, no, well, Realcom is my company. But I've got some people locally that I know do that type of thing. And if that doesn't fall through, then I'll look like on Fiverr or something. But like, you hear the music that's playing right now? Pixels and Potions is a local game dev group. I go to their meetups like once a month, or they have them once a month, and I try to go. This is from their contest. So these are all their music artists, or all music artists that have put music into the contest, all the contestants. So there are people out there that I can probably reach out to for music and sound effects. Oh, one last thing, one quick thing. It is very good. Game cover and win-loss screens, which again I'd have somebody else do. Yeah. So 8 and 9 really aren't even things that I would need to do. I would just have to have somebody do them. I wonder why everything's running slow. I wonder if the collision stuff is making things run slow. I'm also watching the performance as I do this. See, I don't like how that bounced off like that. I wonder how this would have been if I had done it in Godot. But I also know, like, one thing I saw when I was doing that game jam in Godot was that sometimes scaling sprites really did, or scaling vectors, it really didn't like. That when I did the Spark game. Looks like they're getting slower. But performance testing will be part of, just general part of everything anyway. Roll to see how many we got left. Oh, okay, 3 more. See, how did that happen? Because, see, this shouldn't happen anyway. All right, man. I'll see you. You have a good night, man. You have a safe trip. I was trying to destroy it real quick, but I missed my chance there. Oh, something's broken. I can't destroy it. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Yeah, I can't destroy it. That's super weird. Feels like that shouldn't go there, but I guess that's a different color green. Okay. So that works.
Joshua stopped with his master so grim, a butt in the dock and a fate sealed by him. Now the bard with a horse-loving heart, sang melodies while he tore foes apart. Then Copperline gleamed in bronze and in pride, a dragon of honor with lightning to ride. 7 stood strong against the goblin domain, and bathed the stone halls in the thunder and flame. Raise your cups to the heavens the 7 brave souls who fought through the dark where the temple bell tolls. Through shadow and flame they shattered the throne and found the Green Knight was a man called Tyrone. Was a man once bound to the tree, now fallen to madness, no longer is free. Gaia now reaps a temple reclaimed by those who recall of the old God's name.
These don't work anymore? Just thought I'd turn them on to try them.
So raise your cups to the bond that run through the beast, the bard, and the dragon's hue. Let legends now whisper in gravel and stone of Gaia the temple. And Sir Tyrone.
Super weird.
Break a couple hearts in the worst way. I might take a couple spots.
That's one.
Jam Frank. I ain't Spider-Man. I ain't here to save the day. Cause best believe I be dropping hoes like MJ. I'm on that MK. I'm on that PlayStation. You see that money green? That be my main J. Melina try to get this work but got that tri-blade. I ain't no dude but I pull up in the face. That's a finisher. She ain't tryna fight back, so I'm a finisher. I got a lot of tricks up in my bag. Cereal, throwing out the body on the stack. Cereal. I'm in combat with a mortal, giving out these L's, but they come back like it's normal. All black with the florals. Chronica when they step into my portal. Somebody come collect her before I get mad and I give it to collector. So cold with it. I'm a dom, but I'm sub-zero with it. Swag on when I hop about the bed. Scorpion got some all about revenge. Where my game is at? Put your controllers up. This is Mortal Kombat. He said he tryna kick it with me like he Liu Kang. He said he tryna kick it with me like he Johnny Cage. He don't even know that I'll erase his whole page. That's why I'm coming for your kids with my Sonya Blade. I run up in your spot. This is a Raiden. I give them all a shot. They call me Raiden. Protecting the earth around. Could really use some help. I'm kinda overwhelmed. I'm holding down the block just to keep a hoe from kicking me. DDDDD, and I got a flawless victory. Now they wanna treat me like a bad guy. Shaking like maracas when I pass by. You ain't want the smoke. Run up with my name, Quay. You ain't want the smoke. Feel that fire in your chest when I'm in your throat. Armageddon, cause I'm claiming everybody's soul. Don't care your nationality. Step onto my stage and you catching a fatality. Jax Briggs and you know I got them hands. Too hot, need katana with the fans. Where my cameras at? Put your controllers up. This is Mortal.
All right, that's it. We're done for the night. I want to thank that man Robin for coming by, and Ton of Bricks, and any lurkers that stopped through. Much appreciated. Probably back on Wednesday. Hopefully we can actually work on the main game. I don't know. It depends on how things work out. If not, we back on this. But anyway, y'all take it easy. Stay safe out there, and I will see you next time. I'll let this play on out.